If you want to hide your formula, like this formulas here, hidden from users, and at the same time prevent people from making changes to your spreadsheet like this is how you do it. Let's first and foremost of all remove lock and hidden feature from every cell. Press Ctrl A and Ctrl 1. Make sure you're on the protection tab and remove the check mark from lock and hidden and click OK. Now every cell has lock and hidden disabled. Now to enable only the formulas, you press Ctrl G and then click on special and click on formulas. Leave all this checkbox as it is and click OK. What this does is that it selects only the formulas on your spreadsheet. Now press Ctrl 1, make sure you're in protection tab again, and reinstate lock and hidden and click OK. Now if you were to try to edit it, you'll still be able to edit your formula because your protection hasn't been enabled yet. So to enable the protection, go on review and then go protect sheet and click OK. Now I try to do the same thing again here. You can see that you cannot make changes to any of your formula. However, you can make changes to the rest of the cell like this. But if you want to only allow the user to view the formula at the same time lock like this is how I do it. Go ahead and unprotect your sheet now, and let's select your formula cells only by pressing Ctrl G, special, formula, and click OK. Now press Ctrl 1 and remove the hidden and click OK. Make sure in review again, protect sheet and click OK. Now you can see that the user can see the formulas, but if the user try to edit the formula like this, you'll get this error message here like that. But if you want the user to be able to edit the formula cell but hide the formula, this is how I do it. Let's unprotect the sheet here and press Ctrl G, special, formula, and OK to select all the formula cells only. Next, you're going to press Ctrl 1 and flip the checkbox like this. You're going to hide the formula, but you can allow the user to edit the cell. Let's click OK. And if you go review, protect sheet and click OK, now you can see that the formulas are all hidden out of sight from the users, but the user can start editing the cell.